don't know if you guys are going to be able to see clearly. Hopefully you are, because I'm into the kitchen. I'm gonna carry around the ring light or something, but just keep it natural as is. When you can't see the time as all. The pretty them just not too long coming from school. Today is Friday. I typically don't clean on a Friday. But just a talk, I'm never greeting, right? Wagwan, hope all is that you guys. Welcome back to Everything Empo. But a year, months, 1 year. So probably the lighting for this one really bad, because I really like natural lighting, whatever. But back to me, that's it. Today is Friday. I'm gonna normally cook on a Friday, but the kids them asked me to make them dirty pasta. Me call it that because them always ask me to give it a name. So it's not your regular pasta. I guess because I cook it up different. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll cook up some pasta for them. I'm not sure if me even gonna show that part, but just really show you the part I can't clean on a dirty stove. But just can't do it. Like I say, let me look this round it and stuff, and if I pull down the whole thing, I take off the knobs, I go sweat them off and clean. So I'm gonna show you guys what I normally use, which is I use the Dawn, you can see good, the Dawn Platinum Plus Power Wash. I love it into the spray. So it's almost like a triple clean. I used to use the oven clean, but the scent from it, the fume went give off, you know, really good. I've made a cough for hours. Plus me use the Dawn this and then steel. This it have the soap already into it. So I mean by it's almost like a triple clean. So this have a soap, this liquid, and this foam. And then where is it? To scour it off. Even though me I use that, I still use this is from Daddy Scrub. Them steel, this is them steel with this really good as well. Likewise, even this is what I use. Off top of the vent, I take off the piece here, and you look fly and see them look at it not fly them into it. So I'm gonna wash down this. When you can't really see the back parts of the wall, but you know, like where the oil splash up and thing. So I'm gonna clean down that. So for me it's almost like season. So I'm just gonna spray everything and then yeah, so that is what it looks like. Everybody have Ajax powder. I'm gonna put Ajax powder upon it, but I'm gonna make it stay like this for probably like a little 10 minutes for it really sit to lift up the grease. It don't really need that much time, but that's how I typically do it for it really soaking. Cause like I said, the rim of these, like where the stuff did sit in, it's really, you know, kind of stain around. So I'm gonna make that sit, then I'm gonna wash the knobs. So that's how it looks when everything foam up and comes together. So I'm gonna lift up the stove and then wash the base part. You see the part the way to the soap in the hole. So I'm gonna lift this up like that and then wash underneath there and here. So this is how it foam up. So I'm using this is the Daddy steel wood for the top part, and then for under here now, under the bottom part, that's where I use the steel wood. So this is really good. So if you see it, pick it up, the Daddy wood, really good, really good. Most of the time it really don't take that long, but for the end of video like this and do editing and your face stop in between, then that's what it is. But anyway, but only for the cancel the difference. It's so even here, so even more clean. So the grain is full of gunk. So for clean off the soap, this is what I use. It behave almost like a fabric softener. I get it from the Dollar Tree, the plus size. So spray this and it cut the, so everything clean down top and bottom. Would you believe that some people don't even know so them can lift up this part of them stove and clean it? You have to clean this because when this get heated with the grease, it made the kitchen smoke up and it have this weird greasy smell. So don't just clean the top alone, but also clean here because here so get hot. Alright, so I'm gonna put on back everything. I wrap the video up, and I also put these in my in a little something, put it in there to help catch with the food or a little bit and the grease, me use these file things. Or if you don't have it, you can use file paper. Just use regular file paper and cut round to style it how you choose. That's if you want to. Well, I don't know how the apartment stove them stay. Alright, so clamp it down, and then we can be right here in the video. Like, just push them to so you see, if you cable for see if there's gonna be a difference from the first time. Oh, I'm gonna wipe off that to the back, so that drop down. So I'm gonna wipe up underneath there, so because I didn't have it up. But you see, more even shine because it did full of the little gong. So yeah, I'm telling you, fabulous. I'm sure hopefully you guys can see. So that is how I do it. I'm gonna put the kitchen is seasoned with love. Currently my kitchen is in apples. I'll take it off. So this is the theme, right? So it mixed with brown, and also have a plain one. So that's what it looks like. And when I first started the video, so this is how it look after me wash it down. I think this covers the light, because that light stays on over the stove and to the kitchen rule over here. So now I'm gonna clean up this. You see the base light right there, so like the dust and something. Teenager, when you tell them to clean kitchen, believe you me, them look how close it is to the sink, then they even look on you. So them something them no wipe it down, them no wipe down the wall, unlike me, you know. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna sort of clamp on this and put the video. If in my next video you want to see how I love for my Windex cleaner, I don't use liquid, I love the foam. And this one right here, let me say my apologies again for the lighting, but this is what I use. Excellent music, especially upon my washing machine, like the top part and the dryer at the front door, because if I look at glass up there on it. So this is what I use to clean, shine up the windows. Yeah, all the window them I clean. I love my go outside, I'm wipe my room from outside to inside. Let me say it's a Caribbean thing. The light them in the ceiling, I take off the shade and wash them. Sometimes the bulb them I look a bit, you know, you can buy and replace the bulb them, but sometimes the bulb them I look a bit sticky. When I wash the bulb, I wipe it down, cover it off to kind of get back the little brightness there. If you wonder what is that, that is a the people them sunbite, you know what I'm saying? Water filter. So it's a water filter to the side. Like when I boil my dumpling and my rice, so this is what me use and turn on this for the boiling water and etc. Instead of use the plain water itself and wash the plate, but for cooking we use the filter, and the little part there will hook over, it can turn, it can go through system, whatever whatnot. If you're wondering what are those, them a cutting board. Hold on. So those are my cutting boards. So the red one is a tomato, so it made of vegetable and stuff, vegetable cutter. And the red, the green one is a bell pepper, so that I'm alternating meat. The orange one is an orange, so that I'm a fruits and stuff. So that's the way it's hung above the stove, I think. Anyway, I've rambled along. Oh, so them there, that's how them hang down on the stove. Alright, so anyway, I've rambled long enough, and I'll catch you guys into the next. We're gonna wash the other side of the kitchen.